Hi guys, this is Brad Martin from Baltimore, Maryland. Just wanted to share how the loan signing system has personally affected my life. Before I started LSS, I was a restaurant general manager for 22 years, very burned out, overworked, so anyone in the industry can relate. I found Mark's course to try to initially just get some side hustle income on his YouTube channel with all of his free content. Love what I saw. Jumped into the course in September of 2020, and it's a ton of information. You get a lot of support from the Facebook community, so if you have any questions, you can just fire a question away and people will respond, whether it's documents, marketing, whatever it may be. The course itself literally lays it out from A to Z as far as what you do from the start, getting a notary commission, all the way through to marketing to direct clients and getting the big bucks. For me personally, I have been full-time since November of 2020, and then I have been 10K plus a month since December of 2020, and this is June of 2022. So needless to say, the LSS has really tremendously impacted my life. More free time with my kids and my family, the flexibility to take as many or as few appointments as I want. I even started my own national signing service in March of 2021 for all the overflow business I was turning down my direct clients. So that is so awesome just because of the passive income. So I would highly recommend Loan Signing System. Tremendous knowledge, marketing, weekly mentorships. So it is a must-have for anyone who wants to build something for themselves. And that's also great at customer service. That's always a plus. So thank you so much, Mark.